Hello, my name is Eduardo Peñas. I'm Air System Flight Test Specialist on C-Series program, and today we are going to talk about smoke testing on F-35. So these tests are part of the certification because we have to demonstrate that in case of fire in any compartment, the detection system and the air conditioning system will perform as expected. We have Transport Canada during this test. These are very complex certification tests. Basically, this test consists on three parts. It is smoke detection, smoke penetration, and smoke evacuation. So during the detection test, what we try to demonstrate is that the fire detection system detects the small quantity of smoke within 1 minute. For that, what we try is ensure that in case of fire, the procedures for smoke and fire extinguishing are done effectively, so there is no risk of damaging any structure, any panel or wiring or critical system. Then we have to demonstrate that the crew has the proper warning messages in the cabin so they can proceed and perform the emergency procedures. So then during the penetration test, what we try to demonstrate is that in case of a large quantity, a large amount of smoke in any compartment, like the cargo compartments or the avionics bay compartments, we have to demonstrate there is no migration of smoke into occupied areas like the cabin or the cockpit. We perform these tests in a lot of air conditioning dispatchable conditions, like with 1 pack, 2 packs. We also test it in unpressurized flights, so we can ensure that in any condition that the airline can operate during the regular operation of the aircraft, there will be no smoke into the cabin, and we can ensure that the smoke will not be a hazard for the passenger or the flight crew. The last part of the test campaign is the smoke evacuation in the cockpit. For that, we try to demonstrate that the emergency procedure for the smoke evacuation is effective. So what we do is we inject for 7 seconds smoke in the cockpit, so the pilot is totally blind and cannot see the flight instruments. Then he will start the emergency procedure, which consists on the pressurization of the aircraft by opening the valve that regulates the pressure in the cabin. Then he will start the emergency descent to a safe altitude, and finally he will adjust the air conditioning to a high flow mode, so the air conditioning air is pushing the smoke outboard of the aircraft. Finally, within 3 minutes, the pilot will be able to see all the flight instruments, all the panels, and will be able to fly the aircraft normally. For this test, we will have Transport Canada with us as well. We will have a camera in the door of the cockpit, so we can assess that the obscuration in the cockpit is enough, and that the clear procedure of the smoke in the cockpit is also good. So far, we are very happy with the results. Please keep watching us in cseries.com. Thank you very much, everyone.